Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam, and for today's video, you guys, is gonna be a candle video. My last video that I did with candles were the Harry Potter candles, which is one of my favorite videos, and thank you guys for watching it. Of course, who doesn't like Harry Potter? But for today's video, it's gonna remind you of your childhood, even now. And what a way to start the fall season. By the time you're watching this, well, today is the first day of fall. And you guys are gonna enjoy these pieces as well. I only got 2 candles. I forgot to add another one to my cart. But it will do. So it is from the company Aroma. They are a Canadian company. And I'm sorry, it's gonna be a tease for you guys because I know they don't do international shipping yet. Hopefully they will work on that soon so then everyone around the world can get these candles. So these candles fall under the Disney category. Okay. These two, well, let's say movies, were one of my favorite movies as a child, and I still actually have these movies in cassette. Okay, so you're gonna love these, I'm telling you. I know I'm repeating the same thing, but you're gonna fall off your chair. Okay, so the first candle I have here is the Disney Winnie the Pooh Honey Pot candle. Do you see this? Like, just give it a moment of silence, okay? So, what I love about the detailing is, besides the centerpiece itself, the detail on the box. So you see here is the drip, so as if honey is dripping all over the box. You have the little bumblebees swarming, flying around. So this is a fruity and floral scent candle. Okay, so with this one you do get a chance to win several of the rings. Well, one of the 5, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so there's 5 rings. Whichever one you get. Awesome. So, what was I going to show you? Oh, this is my favorite box. I mean, this is a favorite part of the box for me. I actually feel like cutting it out and coloring it. Or, I don't know, sticking it up on my wall. It's Winnie the Pooh. Look at him. Like, honestly, I could just grab him and, like, give him a hug. Of course, he's eating honey all day, every day. So, these are the rings. If you can't really see them properly, I'll put in a screenshot of the rings. And they're pretty. They're so gorgeous. You have him kind of, like, laying on the rim of the ring with his honey pot. Then you just have his face and with, like, a few diamonds. Oh my god, I love this one. It looks like a wedding band, and it has like honey dripping all over the band, and he's just popping out like that. And then there's like him in a heart, and then him also with his honey pot. So I'm just gonna read you a little description that they have on the box. Okay, so there's no such thing as too much honey. Inspired by Winnie the Pooh's sweet and warm persona, light this jewelry candle and enjoy the delightful scent of sparkling grapefruit, tropical start fruit, and magnolia petals and sunshine woods. When you finish burning, find a 925 sterling silver Winnie the Pooh ring. Reuse the ceramic honey pot jar as a decor piece or a unique collector's item. Perfect for any Disney fan. Which I totally agree. If you love Disney, everything about Disney, if you've been to Disney World, I haven't, you guys will love this. And it will show you at the bottom, of course, you know, the steps with it. So first, of course, you burn the candle. Second, you reveal your ring. Third, you wash this. And then 4, reuse. Okay, enough with the chit chat. We're just gonna open this, okay? Here she is. Oh my god. Look at this. Like, honestly, you could even put honey in this. Keep this on your kitchen counter. Oh, what a stunning way to, like, decor your kitchen. So you have the little like teapot lid, I guess you could say. And the top is gold, just how it matches with the gold drip. And it says honey and then the little bees. And of course you have two ways if you want to face it this way where it says honey, or on the other side that actually says Disney Winnie the Pooh. Breathtaking. I love this. If you guys love Winnie the Pooh, please get this. Like, it's so beautiful. It's ceramic. It's very heavy, so please be careful. Don't put this around your cat if you have one, okay? And it is a 1 wick candle. So it's massive. It's pretty huge. And the smell is divine. Like, literally when I was opening the box. Oh, shoot. Oh, my heart. Oh my god. Once I was opening the box, you could literally smell it through the box. That's how... I don't want to say that's how strong it is, but not in a bad way. It's just the smell is amazing. So once again, you guys, this is Winnie the Pooh. Hopefully I'll be happy with any of these, but I think I really want the band where you have him just peeking up with his little head. So once you finish burning like your candles, like my experience with the Charm Aroma candles, some tell, like on other boxes it will tell you to freeze the jar so that way the candle inside is hard, and then after, I guess it's easier for you to like crack it and like scoop it out. Some candles it worked, but some it was a pain in the ass, so I don't know if there's another way just to take out like the leftover residue of the candles. And you really have to wash this good because everything just feels like slimy and it's all over your fingers. But other than that, I give this 100. Like 100 points. Like, I love this so much. You could put anything in it, or if you wanted just to keep empty, but you could put, I don't know, cookies, anything, honey, maybe coffee. But it's beautiful. Okay, so for my next candle, dun dun dun, she's evil queen, I shall say. So this is the Disney Villains candle. So if you could see here, if you could guess which character this is based on. So this is the Poison Apple Jewelry Candle. It's the Evil Queen Ring Collection. And this is a dark fruity scent. I never heard of that, like a dark fruity scent. Like, what does dark even smells like? So if you guessed it, it's from Snow White. And you see her, the evil queen, right here with the poison apple in her hand. And look at the rings. Like I said, if you can't really see them properly, I'll post another screenshot. And you have 5. You have one where it's like a diamond and a crown. You have one where it seems like it's a diamond, but kind of like shaped as the mirror. Oh, this one's amazing. It's like the black apple dripped with gold and that evil face. And then this one is like the daggering heart, where you have like a dagger in the heart. And then you have the queen herself. I would die for any of these rings. Let's see. So of course it's also sterling silver. And it will tell you again what to do. Burn your candle, reveal your candle, hand wash. So see, this one says hand wash. And then this one says reuse. And you actually can see makeup brushes in the candle itself. So this is 350 grams. What was Winnie the Pooh's? 510 grams. Okay. So clearly the Winnie the Pooh has more. Okay. Here it is. Oh wait, hold on. Let me read the description for you guys. I almost forgot. So it says, evil to the core. Inspired by the forbidden fruit, light this jewelry candle and enjoy a dark, wicked scent featuring notes of Honeycrisp apple, succulent blackberry, and midnight woods. When you finish burning, find a 925 sterling silver Evil Queen ring. Reuse the ceramic jar as a decor piece or a unique collector's item. Perfect for any Disney fan. And kid you not, once I opened the box, I was like apples. Like, I could actually smell the apples. smells good. It smells interesting. I've never smelled any candles like this before. I guess hence the dark and whatnot type of notes in here. So it's also a 1-wick candle, and this is it. Perfect for Halloween, perfect for fall. I'm actually gonna put this where my TV is, just so this could be looking right at you. So it's like the honey pot. You have like, I guess, like the poison and all that just dripping on the poisonous apple, and then it creates this evil face, an evil mask. The only thing is, this does not have a lid. Usually with all my candles, they've come with a lid. Besides like the Harry, I'm just looking over there because I have it there. Besides like the Harry Potter cauldron, I think. And yeah, and the other ones all have lids. But I'm surprised this doesn't have a lid. Or did they forget? I don't know. I don't think so. But guys, tell me which one is your favorite. I love Snow White. I think when I was in elementary school, I think like 2 years in a row, I dressed up as Snow White. Don't ask me why. I don't know. But you can see the comparison, of course. The honey pot is way, like, I guess, taller than the apple. Yeah, it looks weird without the lid. I wish maybe they should have added a lid, and then they would have added like the stem on top. I think it would complete the candle here, but I still love it. Like beginning of fall, and then like towards the end of the fall, towards like Halloween. I think it's like a perfect shift there, or even just have them both out, to be honest. But yeah, guys, so these are the 2 candles I got from Charm Aroma. Please go check them out. Like I said, I know they don't do international shipping yet, but hopefully once they do, splurge, splurge, splurge. And if you guys live in Canada, then you guys know what I'm talking about. They also have other Disney candles, but more of like a simple candle. So I know for the Winnie the Pooh, they have another one, but just says Winnie the Pooh and he's just on it, like the label. And the same thing with the villains. They have another villain candle, and they have like, I think it's Ursula, I don't know, a few villains on the candle itself. And the rings there, they're pretty. They're amazing. But yeah, guys, I think that's all I have to say. It is a short video, but I couldn't wait to show you guys these pieces. After this, I'm gonna go put them out in my living room and actually lit one because I have no candles at all. The third candle that I was supposed to order was the Ariel candle. Oh, she's one of my favorite princesses, like my top 2, I'd say, Ariel. And it was actually, it's like a shell, and it's like turquoise and blue, and you could put jewelry in it, but it's okay. I'll get it eventually. But yeah, guys, so that's it. I hope you guys give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Thank you for following me. And if you guys haven't, come on, just do it. But yeah, guys, I love you. I know I say this in every video. I have things coming in. It's just shipping is so delayed. Like I had like some jewelries sent to me, and I don't know, they lost it, and the company was nice enough to send me another one, and I think it arrived today, so I might go get it. I am waiting on a ColourPop collection. I actually have another Harry Potter video. I might actually do it right after this one. Depends if my phone will let me. But anyways, you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!